for the melody, the bass line, chord progression, you name it. I just went online and found them for a remix. So it's like this. You just look for like Kali, which is Moonlight scale or chords, and there's this website Hook Theory, which is really great, but we also have other stuff. So let's we have Ultimate Guitar, and that's nice if it's like a rock song with guitars, etc. You can gain some useful insight. But then we have Chordify, which is this other thing, and so you can just play it and see all the notes, and the same goes here. And in this case you can also look at the melody or the chords, and I mean, let's listen at them. I will just mute, so let's play it. I will just mute the audio for copyright reasons. So here we see the melody, and these are the chords, and they are also noted here and here. So I mean, that's like a really nice insight. You also have the key, you can see the guides to see the notes in the scale. Here we have some other stats, we don't really need them. And that's great because you can come up with a whole different music for your mix. Sometimes it sounds great, sometimes you have the right inspiration, other times you are just lazy, you are just brain farting, you can just come up with anything nice. I mean, it's a remix, and you can still keep the same stuff and rework it a bit and still sound like a remix. While having this same kind of music, you're just changing the drums, the sounds, the effects, the BPM, so it's not a crime to reuse the same chord progression.